solutions, technical expertise, and market access that help Filipino farmers raise animals more efficiently, profitably, and sustainably. We serve poultry, swine, game fowl, and companion animal segments through our brands, distribution partners, and technical support programs. Our mission goes beyond feeds. We help improve farm productivity, strengthen rural livelihoods, and support the country's food supply. Our journey reflects how Bangki Agribusiness has continued to evolve with the needs of the market. So in 2014, this was the birth of Pinoza Feeds, our commercial feeds brand for poultry and swine. The year after, we introduced Ultima Gladiator and Battle Ready, our regular game-fowl lambs. In 2023, we expanded into high pre-structured nutrition with Baboy. In 2024, we entered pet nutrition with Bestie and Buds, focused on animal care, on companion animal care. And just last year, we strengthened our game fowl portfolio with Warhawk. So these milestones show our move from commercial feeds into broader animal nutrition platform. Every kilo of meat, every tray of eggs, and every healthy animals begin with proper nutrition. Feeds may not always be visible to consumers, but they are a critical foundation of the food chain. Bounty Agribusiness connects raw material sourcing, feed manufacturing, distribution, and on-farm technical support. Through the broader Bounty Group ecosystem, we support farmers across Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao with reliable nutrition solutions. Our business has three areas. First, the commercial feeds under Inoza, serving poultry and swine farmers with specially formulated feeds. Second, specialty feeds through Warhawk and Gladiator, serving the game fowl market. Together with Bestie and Buds, our companion animal nutrition brand. And third, we have Inoza Vet, which provides animal health and nutrition solutions that complement our feed programs. Together, this allows us to support farmers not only with products, but with a more complete agribusiness ecosystem. A key part of our model is entrepreneurship. Through our distributor and dealer network, local businesses can participate in the agricultural value chain by distributing and reselling Bounty feed products in their communities. This helps bring quality animal nutrition closer to farmers while creating livelihood opportunities, especially in rural areas. So our network does two things. It supports farmers and it helps local entrepreneurs grow with agriculture. The Philippines continues to see growing demand for animal protein, driven by population growth, urbanization, and changing consumption patterns. Poultry remains one of the strongest livestock sectors while swine continues its recovery. As demand grows, food security becomes even more important. Our contribution is upstream. We help farmers produce more efficiently and consistently through reliable feed solutions and technical support. When farmers are productive, the food system becomes stronger. Bounty Agribusiness brings together several important strengths. We have strong sourcing capabilities, manufacturing capability, nationwide distribution reach, technical nutrition expertise, and a deep understanding of farmer needs. This is important because farmers do not buy feeds. They buy outcomes, performance, consistency, availability, and value. Supported by our manufacturing, sourcing, and distribution network, we are well positioned to serve customers while maintaining product availability and quality. At Bounty Agribusiness, success is measured not only by the feeds we sell, but by the success of the farmers we serve. When farmers prosper, communities become stronger. And when farms become more productive, food becomes more accessible. Our commitment is to empower farmers with the right nutrition, technology, and market support. And this is how we build a more productive, profitable, and sustainable future for Philippine agriculture. Thank you.